Have you ever wondered how to make money from blogging? An intriguing question, isn't it? The world of blogging is as diverse as it is exciting. From food to fashion, technology to travel, there's a blog out there for everyone and everything. But did you know that these virtual chronicles of thoughts, ideas, and experiences can become a sustainable source of income? Yes, indeed. Blogging isn't just about sharing your passion with the world. It's also about making a living while doing what you love. Imagine waking up every day, eager to draft your next post, knowing that it's not just your hobby, but also your livelihood. Sounds exciting, right? This is what we're going to dive into today. We're going to explore the potential of blogging as a profitable venture and share with you 7 tips to help you navigate this landscape. So, stay tuned as we unveil 7 tips to help you earn money through blogging. Tip 1. Find your niche. Picture the blogosphere as an enormous marketplace. There are countless stalls, each offering something different. Now, imagine you're setting up your own stall. You'll want to offer something that sets you apart, right? That's where finding your niche comes in. Your niche is your blog's unique selling point. It's the topic or theme that you're passionate about and knowledgeable in. It's what will differentiate your blog from the countless others out there. A well-defined niche can help attract a dedicated audience who are genuinely interested in what you have to say. Think of your niche as your blog's heartbeat. It's what keeps your content alive and relevant. It can be as broad as travel or as specific as vegan baking for beginners. The key is to find a niche you're comfortable with and can consistently produce content for. Remember, the more specific your niche, the more dedicated your audience. Moving on to tip 2, create quality content. The essence of a successful blog lies in the content it offers. It's not just about filling up the pages with words, it's about delivering content that resonates with your readers, content that adds value to their lives. Craft your content with thought and care, ensuring it is well-researched, informative, and presented in a way that is engaging and easy to understand. It's the high-quality content that brings readers back to your blog again and again. Remember, every piece of content you put out there is a reflection of you. Make it count. Use your unique voice and perspective to stand out from the crowd. And don't forget, consistency is key. Regularly delivering quality content not only builds trust with your readers, but also boosts your visibility in search engine rankings. Quality content is king when it comes to blogging. Tip 3. Use SEO. SEO or search engine optimization is a digital marketing strategy that can dramatically increase the visibility of your blog. It's like giving your blog a megaphone in the crowded marketplace of the internet. But how does it work? Imagine the internet as a massive library and search engines as the librarians. SEO is the process of organizing your blog's content so the librarians can easily find, understand, and recommend it to others. This is done through the use of keywords, which are the terms or phrases people type into search engines. A few beginner-friendly SEO tips include writing high-quality content that naturally incorporates keywords, using tags and categories wisely, and making sure your blog is mobile-friendly. Remember, the goal of SEO is not just to drive traffic to your blog, but to attract the right kind of visitors, those who are genuinely interested in your content. SEO is your ticket to getting your blog noticed. On to tip 4, monetize your blog. So, you found your niche, created quality content, and optimized your site for SEO. Now it's time to make some money. But how? Well, there are several ways to monetize your blog. First up, ad revenue. This involves placing ads on your blog. Every time a visitor views or clicks on these ads, you earn a small fee. Next, sponsored posts. Companies may pay you to write and publish a post about their product or service. Then, there's affiliate marketing. This is where you promote a product or service and earn a commission on any sales made through your referral link. But remember, while these methods can be profitable, they require a substantial amount of traffic to your blog. So keep creating that quality content and engaging with your audience to drive more visitors to your site. Monetizing your blog is a crucial step to earning money. Tip 5. Promote your blog. Now that you've created, optimized, and monetized your blog, it's time to let the world know about it. One of the most effective ways is through social media. Platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram can be your best friends. Share your posts, start discussions, and interact with your followers. Another strategy is guest blogging. This involves writing an article for another blog in your niche. It's a win-win situation. The blog gets fresh content and you get exposure to a new audience. Email marketing is an oldie but a goodie. Building an email list and regularly sending out newsletters not only keeps your readers updated, but it also drives traffic back to your blog. Remember, creating great content is only half the battle. The other half is getting it in front of people. So, put on your promotional hat and get your blog out there. Promotion is the key to increasing your blog's visibility. Moving on to tip 6. Engage with your audience. You see, a blog isn't just a platform for sharing your thoughts or your knowledge. It's also a place for conversation, for community. Engaging with your audience is vital to create a loyal following who will return to your blog time and time again. So how do you do this? Start by encouraging comments. Ask questions in your posts, invite opinions, make your readers feel like they're a part of the conversation. Responding to comments is equally important. Even a simple thank you can make your readers feel recognized and appreciated. And it's not just about the blog comments. Engage with your audience on social media, in forums, wherever they may be. Show them you're not just a faceless entity, but a real person who values their input and their loyalty. Remember, your audience isn't just a number. They're people, and people crave connection. Your audience is your biggest asset. Engage with them. Finally, tip 7. Be patient and persistent. Patience and persistence are two sides of the same coin when it comes to blogging. Just like a garden doesn't bloom overnight, your blog too will take time to grow and flourish. It's important to remember that Rome wasn't built in a day. You might not see the results immediately, but that doesn't mean your efforts are in vain. Every blog post you publish, every connection you make, and every comment you respond to is a step forward in your blogging journey. It's like water dripping on a stone. Eventually, it will make an impact. Persistence is equally important. The blogging journey is paved with challenges. There will be times when you feel like giving up, but remember, every challenge is a stepping stone to success. Keep going, keep creating, keep engaging. Your determination will eventually bear fruit. Patience and persistence are virtues in the world of blogging. To recap, here are the 7 tips we covered today. Firstly, the importance of finding your niche can't be overstated. It's all about identifying a topic you're passionate about, something that resonates with you and your intended audience. Remember, your niche is the foundation of your blog, and having a focused topic can help you establish your online presence. Secondly, we emphasize the need for creating quality content. It's not enough to just write about your topic. Your content needs to be engaging, informative, and valuable. Always strive for quality over quantity. The better your content, the more likely your audience is to return and share your blog with others. The third tip was about using search engine optimization, or SEO. SEO is a powerful tool that can help increase the visibility of your blog on search engines. By using relevant keywords and creating high-quality content, you can improve your blog's ranking and attract more readers. Fourthly, we discussed monetizing your blog. This can be done through various methods such as affiliate marketing, sponsored posts, or selling products or services. The key here is to choose a method that aligns with your blog's content and your audience's interests. Our 5th tip was about promoting your blog. Whether it's through social media, email newsletters, or guest blogging, promoting your blog can help you reach a wider audience and increase your blog's visibility. The 6th tip was about engaging with your audience. Responding to comments, asking for feedback, and creating a community around your blog can help you build a loyal audience. Remember, your audience is your biggest asset. Lastly, We talked about being patient and persistent. Blogging is a journey, not a destination. It can take time to see results, but with persistence and dedication, you can turn your blog into a profitable venture. With these tips in mind, you're well on your way to making money from your blog. Happy blogging!